Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Learnivo IELTS Speaking Practice Podcast, the place where you can prepare, practice, and improve your speaking skills step by step. In today's episode, we're going to focus on IELTS Speaking Part 1 with the topic place. Stay with us, practice answering, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Learnivo, for more speaking practice and tips. So get ready to practice with us. Let's start. Where are you from?
I'm from a small town in the north of my country.
Do you like your hometown?
Yes, I do. It's quiet and peaceful, which makes it a comfortable place to live.
What is your hometown famous for?
It's well known for its beautiful lake and traditional food.
Is your hometown a good place for children?
Yes, because it's safe and not too crowded. Children can play outside freely.
Do many people visit your hometown?
Not many tourists, but people from nearby cities sometimes come for the weekend.
What kind of places do you like to visit?
I enjoy visiting parks and natural places because they make me feel relaxed.
Do you prefer the countryside or the city?
I prefer the city because it has more opportunities, but sometimes I miss the countryside.
Have you ever visited another city?
Yes, I've visited the capital city. It's very modern, with tall buildings and busy streets.
What do you usually do when you go to a new place?
I like to walk around, try local food, and take pictures.
What kind of place would you like to live in the future?
In the future, I'd like to live in a city with good public transport and lots of green spaces.
Do you enjoy going to crowded places?
Not really. I prefer calm places because I feel more comfortable and less stressed.
Do you prefer indoor places or outdoor places?
I usually prefer outdoor places because I can get fresh air and enjoy nature.
What is the most interesting place you have visited?
The most interesting place was a historical city with ancient temples and colorful markets.
Do you think young people and older people like to go to the same places?
Not always. Young people prefer lively places like cafes or malls, while older people may enjoy quiet parks or cultural sites.
Do you think your hometown has changed a lot?
Yes, it has. In the past, it was very small, but now there are many new buildings and shopping centers.
Would you recommend your hometown to tourists? Why or why not?
Yes, I would. It's not very famous, but it has natural beauty and friendly people, which can be a unique experience.
Do you prefer natural places or man-made places?
I prefer natural places like mountains and beaches because they help me relax and escape from daily life.
Do you like going back to places you visited before?
Sometimes, yes. If I have good memories, I like to return and experience them again.
What kind of place makes you feel comfortable?
A quiet place with good lighting and a nice view makes me feel comfortable.
If you could live anywhere in the world, where would it be?
If I had the chance, I'd love to live in a coastal city because I enjoy being near the sea and having a relaxing lifestyle.
That's the end of today's IELTS Speaking, Part 1 practice on the topic, place. We hope this helped you get ideas for both simple and more developed answers. Thank you for practicing with Learnivo. If you enjoyed this session, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Learnivo, for more IELTS speaking practice, tips, and sample answers. See you in the next episode.